Good afternoon, George Cavaligos for HFT Bonds. Another wild ride. Number comes out, market actually had already broke. It looked like there was some kind of a leak. Somebody got the number early, that's for sure. The HFT guys, if you look at, I think Zero Hedge and Nanex had, some pretty interesting studies done. 453 milliseconds before the data release, the selling started to the point where circuit breakers actually clicked in and shut down trading for like 5 seconds in the 10-year note before it resumed the selling. Somebody had it. It wasn't me. Market broke hard. We bounced off a pretty good support trend line at 129.02 in the 10-year. Rallied all the way back up to 130.03. And then started selling off again. And it's been selling off all day. We never had a bounce. If you look at a 2-hour chart, you never saw much of a bounce. If you look at like a 5-minute or 30-minute, you did get some 5, 6, 8 tick reversals at times throughout the day. You could have traded a little bit of that, which is what I focused on most of the day, was scalping around some short-term trades. Guys in the chat room and I had a couple good little scalps in the bonds late in the day, or actually early in the day before lunch. And then that was pretty much it. Now we're closing right on the lows. You got to be looking for some lower levels. I've posted the old lows basically here from a couple weeks ago. 128. What was it? 128.19, 138.29 in the bonds. I think we'll go see them in the auctions next week. Dealers are going to have to hedge some of this stuff. I don't think they have a ton of hedges on. They probably got some on today. I guarantee you they got some on today after the way the market's reacted here. And again, I think the market will be choppy to sideways lower into the bond auction again next Thursday. Very little data until Thursday and Friday. So I'm kind of thinking it could be kind of a slow grind, if anything. I highlighted some pretty important support levels. If we do take out those old lows, just below these current, just below the old lows, there's some pretty important Elliott Wave objectives down there that I highlighted in the chat room today. I'm going to write those in the morning email too when I send that out on Monday. So we'll make sure you have a copy of those handy. I'm going to say it again. I guess we're going to have to look to sell rallies here now. Early part of the week. Monday, no data. No auction. Tuesday, 3-year auction. The games are going to begin. Wednesday's the 10-year and 30's the 30-year is on Thursday. So that's the game plan, guys. Have a great weekend. Get some rest. Look for some kind of rally to bounce. If we get any kind of a bounce over the weekend, 129.5 would be great. I don't know if we'll get that high. We did leave some low volume prints around 129.08 plus. 09 in the 10-year and around 140.07 on the bonds. So I'm going to kind of look at those levels as an area to take a look at from some shorts if we do bounce up towards that level. Have a great weekend, guys. Hope you had a good day today. See you on Monday.